Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Court of Public Opinion. And today is my very first video. So bear with me, hang in there. After doing this enough, I'll be more comfortable. And let's get into it. So today we are going to talk about good old pump it up rapper Joe Budden. Oh, I had to go with spelling. Never mind. Okay. So there's a situation that had occurred back in December of last year where, if you guys don't know already, Joe Budden was accused of standing in the hallway of where he lives in his birthday suit. Yeah, that's what I said, in his birthday suit. So let's get into it. On TMZ, right? Let's get into it. Joe Budden charged after allegedly standing naked in hallway, caught on Ring camera. What is the deal, Joe? What is going on? What is happening? Okay. So this is Joe Budden here. Doesn't look like what I'm used to, but okay, we all age, some gracefully, some not so much. So Joe Budden was charged earlier this month after authorities claimed his neighbors saw him outside their apartment on Ring camera footage completely naked. Yes, naked and in his birthday suit. According to the court documents obtained by TMZ, Budden was charged on December 4th in Edgewater, New Jersey for lewdness. Oh my gosh, what is happening? The Edgewater Police Department released a statement on December 30th about the incident after news of the charge broke online, explaining officers were called to an apartment complex in the area at approximately 7:21 a.m. Excuse all these ads, but TMZ. EPD says the caller was alerted by their Ring camera that someone was outside their home, and when they looked at the footage, they claim Budden was standing outside naked as the day he was born, in his birthday suit, in his skin. I don't even think he had underwear on. All his dinkleberries, everything, or some of you guys call it dinkleberries, but all of his business was hanging out. He was completely in his birthday suit. Anyway, the caller claims video shows Budden attempting to enter a code into the resident's door keypad several times before heading back to his apartment in the same building. The court complaint says the resident and two juvenile daughters observed the offense live on their phone. What kind of ghetto mess is going on? Like, I don't understand. Gagging. I'm gagging. BTW. Budden recently talked publicly about strife with his neighbors, claiming he was kicked out of his apartment for continuing to record episodes of his podcast there. He's also previously said on his podcast that he's a sleepwalker. Do you call that bullshit? I never heard of someone trying to enter in the code multiple times to get into someone's apartment, sleepwalking. Like, that's weird. Anyway. So, Edgewater Police Department, Donald A. Martin, Chief of Police, on December 4th, 2024, so this is recently, this just happened on Jason's birthday, at approximately 7:21 a.m. Wow, so that's wee hours of the morning, like 7:21. What are you doing? The Edgewater Police were dispatched to an apartment complex for the report from a resident that a man was standing outside of their apartment door completely naked. The caller was alerted to Budden by their doorbell camera. The video depicted Budden attempting to enter a code into the door keypad several times before re-entering his own residence across the hall. As a result of the police investigation, Budden was charged with infamous 2C14-4A, disorderly persons offense. On a complaint summons, Chief Martin states that these charges are merely accusations and that the defendant is presumed innocent until and unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Joe Budden's attorney, Naima Amiri, Esquire of Amiri Law Firm, fired back at the Edgewater Police Department, telling TMZ Mr. Budden is saddened by Police Chief Martin's press release. Mr. Budden has been waiting weeks for his cross complaints to be processed, which include substantially more serious charges, include possible felony charges against the persons behind these charges against him. The chief was, in our opinion, sat on those, but instead used his time to gain some free publicity for himself. Chief Martin should seek publicity by doing notable policing, not inflaming disorderly persons' allegations. Joe. This happened December 4th. So explain to me how he was trying to get this out there as quickly as possible. You would think that within that week or the next day, that this would have been brought to the press. Amir added, the allegations against Mr. Budden are a minor charge, not even resulting in an arrest. A charge Mr. Budden is looking forward to beating in court on the merits, not in the press. The chief's comments are reckless and, in our opinion, radically motivated. Our research has not shown a single press release on a disorderly person charge on the police website this year. His choice to single out Mr. Budden, in our opinion, is self-motivated and based off of Mr. Budden's race and celebrity status. I doubt it. However, being that he does have a platform, a large following, where he does his podcast, maybe we can say that the police officer wanted to get a little bit of shine. I'm not sure. I can't say. So let's see what TMZ has to say.
Please don't hurt him.
Hurt him? I'm the one in pain.
Welcome back to TMZ Live. Joe Budden has got a criminal case that involves nudity. He was at his apartment building earlier this month and somehow walked out of his unit and was naked and walked to a neighbor's door, knocked on it. It was a woman who has kids in there. She called the cops. So Joe Budden has a defense to this that he talked about on a podcast.
I just sleptwalked somewhere that I shouldn't have sleptwalked. And you know how I sleep.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Butt ass. Nice naked ass. Good naked sleepwalking. I just did it again. Nobody can go through this stuff with me. It's only me. It's only me. So you got to deal with.
Do you guys call BS? I can smell the BS. I can smell it.
Everything. You got to deal with what comes with that.
Okay, so here's my question to you. You're a lawyer. He said he was sleepwalking. There was no intention to go out naked. Good defense or not?
Oh, absolutely good defense. But you better have some history of sleepwalking before.
But if you do, it seems to me you don't have the intent to go out and create kind of a lewd.
At worst, it would be negligence because you should be able to put things on the door to stop you from sleepwalking outside. But that would be a very small crime. I mean, you wouldn't. That would be largely a defense other than negligence.
But it's sort of like Ambien, where sometimes people do things. I mean, yeah. I ended up on the floor, and my dogs were eating rice off my chest.
I had
no idea about this.
I had spaghetti all over me when I woke up on Ambien. So yes.
Okay.
But I sleep naked, and I definitely do not walk into the hallway.
Okay, enough. We're a mess.
Is that too much?
A mess.
Hi, I'm Tiffany from St. Louis. I don't know what kind of Christmas caroling this is, but it is what fears are made of, okay? Every neighbor fears this kind of Christmas caroling. I think his eggnog was a little spicy this year.
But if it is sleepwalking, I think he walks.
Well, and if it's not sleepwalking, what is it? That's too weird.
It's almost like,
why?
Your Honor, why would I do that?
Exactly.
Interesting. You know what? I call it BS. I truly do. So, let me see. I am going to try and share. Yeah, so let's talk about it. Now, I don't know. I sense that, I don't know, I detect some dishonesty. Just by his response and him just laughing it off and saying that he sleepwalks. Come on, Joe. You are up to something. Now I'm wondering if he was trying to kick it with the mother. She has 2 young girls, so I'm assuming that she was trying to kick it with the mother, or she has been for a while now. And I don't know. Or maybe they did a little doodling or going in. I don't know. I have no idea. But it is very interesting to me, and I would like to see how this case goes further. Yeah, let's see what happens, Joe. But anyway, with that said, I just want to say thank you. This was a test run for my YouTube channel, Court of Public Opinion, aka Cabo. And I just wanted to cover a little bit on, Joe Budden's situation. Please be sure to join my channel by pressing the notification bell so you can get more videos like this, more live streams like this where you can join me. Make sure you like the video. And it's now 2025. It's a new year. I'm stepping out of faith. And I've decided that I want to be able to cover commentary on the news that's going on in the world today. And yeah, this is a new journey for me, new beginning, and I'm a little shaky right now, but that's okay. I'm a little shaky, and with time, it's just going to get better and better. I thank you so much for your support. If you want to support me, my Cash App is in the banner. If you want to email me to discuss other cases, my email address is in the banner as well. I'm excited about this new journey, and I look forward to you subscribing to this channel and joining my Capo community, Court of Public Opinion. I would like to hear about how you feel about the different topics that I will be discussing. I'm excited, I'm happy, and I just want to be able to communicate with you guys. And yeah, this is an amazing feeling. It's now January 3rd, 2025, and currently I have no subscribers. But after you watching this, let's see where I am within 30 days. I'm claiming that this channel is going to blow through the water. Here, if there's anything that you want to do, you got to put your mind to it. Even if you are afraid, even if you're scared, do it. I am a living testimony right now. I am doing something that I'm nervous, I'm scared, but that's okay. Because with practice, baby, I'm going to be good to go. So this is my very first video where I've done a test run. You see where it says test in the banner. And I hope you enjoyed it. And again, I said before, with time, things will get better and better. All right. So enjoy. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. Bye.